Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones. So assume that you have two phones, phone 1 and phone 2. In phone number 1, you just have to normally create a WhatsApp account. So after creating that account, in you just have to go to phone number 2. In phone number 2, open the WhatsApp. Now click on agree and continue. Now WhatsApp is asking about your phone number. You just have to click on above three dots at top right corner. Yes, click on link as companion device, and that's it. Now you are in phone number 1. Now you just have to click on three dots at top right corner. Now click on linked devices. After clicking on it, it will redirect you to a device manager. Now you just have to click on link a device. After clicking on it, just scan the phone number 2 QR code. Now that's okay. Now you can use same WhatsApp on two phone. Thank you so much. Do subscribe, like, share